Hey guys, today we'll gotta learn like how to use effects. So if you have came here to learn it, you will definitely learn. So you can just like Google a normal. You can just read it about here also like how to use effect. So it's normal like you can use it like this. You can import it and use it like a function. So yeah, let's just get started in the code. Very simple guys. Just trust me. So for the first time. I mean, what things we have to learn in life? I mean, whole life gone in just learning. So we'll just import use effect from React. Okay, guys. So like we have imported it. So now we'll say use effect. So always write hooks inside the function. So okay, please keep remember that. So we'll say use effect, and this is the way like normal. So we'll select console dot log. Sorry, what happened? Yeah, we are inside use effect. We just save it and we'll just inspect and we'll go to console and we can see, okay, see we are inside use effect. So how does it work? So every time you load a component or something, so use effect will automatically run for the first time. And suppose we had a button here, suppose any event is being called, or suppose we have a button click me, normal button, nothing happening, it's just a button because button, what button does, it create events, so that's why I'm using button. So you have a normal button, obviously your page will have a button. So now see, if we let's just clean it, click me, so nothing happening, see it's doing nothing. So let's just back to code and we'll say on click, we'll say on click, we'll say what should I say, okay, let's just take a variable, sorry, use state, use state. Okay, we'll use that also. We'll say const value comma set value and we'll say equals to use state. I'm just making a normal counter. On click, we'll say set value plus 1, increase, and we'll showing the value here. Okay, we'll put a br also here. See, nothing, I'm just taking a use state variable using 0 as a value and just increasing here, just showing it here. Okay, nothing else. Use effect is like this only, we are not touching it. Okay, so I'll show you what do I want to show. So like, okay, first time it ran use PR insert. So whenever we'll do increase, see it's again, as soon as we are doing another event calling another thing, but as soon as we do increase, it keeps on increasing. See, but use effect is also ring. So every whenever an event it evoked or something is done, so use effect automatically runs. See, so we don't want it to run. Suppose you want to fetch URL, obviously you will be fetching the URL from here also. Now, so we can do JSON place. Okay, JSON, we have an API on JSON placeholder. I think this is the API, the post, JSON place slash post. I think that's the API. Okay, what's the okay? This is the API. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah. So suppose this is the API we are gonna fetch. So I'm showing you. We'll say you can just copy this thing here. I mean, obviously, yeah, you can just copy. Simply we are fetching, then changing the response to JSON, then consoling it. Okay, so we'll do users for the users. Okay, okay, so yeah, so let me just clean it. And okay, so the first time you came, you fetch an API because you want to show the user their data. So suppose you fetched an API, but now you are increasing data, like it's again running use effect, is going fetching and fetching and fetching. So you don't want to fetch again and again, you just want to fetch it once only. See, it's coming data and again and again. Now I will say, see again. So what you'll do, we'll just add an like simple empty array. So what this shows, just run it once, apart from that don't run it. So we'll just save it and we'll just refresh it. So it ran once. Now how many times we do increment event trigger, nothing happened. So but if we pass any variable here, suppose value, we are passing value, we have like used here. So what we'll do, whenever the value will change, automatically the fetch will run, like use effect will run. So now we'll say increase. Okay, I have to reload it. Yeah, so now say increase, increase, increase. Oh, I haven't saved it, sorry guys, I was like what's happening. See, now we'll say increase, it's running, increase, it's running. So that's the way you can use effect. So that's the very beautiful, I think use effect is it's also used in cleaning the elements also. You'll learn when you'll go further. For this time this is enough. So thanks guys for watching it.